All right, hello everyone, Envetica.eth here. Wanted to run through some of the technical prerequisites necessary for the Validator Workshop presented by the ETH Staker Community. For this step, what we're going to do is create a USB live bootable drive. And the first thing we'll need is a USB drive. We'll also need a copy of Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. It is a free and open source operating system if you're not familiar with it. The direct link to that ISO image, which is a copy of the operating system, is just below this video. Additionally, we're going to need a formatting software to install the operating system to this USB device. And for that, we're going to use a software package called Etcher. That program is also linked just below this video. So the first thing we're going to do is plug in this USB to our computer and start formatting this drive. So let's go ahead and do that. First thing we're going to do is open up Etcher. You'll see a dialog box pop up. Next, what we're going to do is find the downloaded USB, or excuse me, we're going to find the Ubuntu file. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to our downloads, Ubuntu, open. Next, what we're going to do is select the drive that we want to format. I've got an old USB here plugged in, so let's use that. And then next is just Flash. So we're going to install it, put my password in here real quick. And there we go. So now it's flashing the drive, which means that it's deleting everything that was previously on that USB drive, formatting it with a bootable version on the USB stick. So once that is complete, we'll be able to take that USB drive, install it onto the hardware that you want for the validator, and then install the operating system. So let's go and look at that part.